Can I claim private preschool tuition on taxes? If you're a parent wondering whether you can claim private preschool tuition on your taxes, you're not alone. Many parents face this question as they navigate the complexities of childcare expenses and tax benefits. To start, let's clarify that preschool tuition itself is not directly tax deductible. However, there is a way you might be able to save some money on your taxes, thanks to a specific credit. The key here is the Child and Dependent Care Credit. This credit is designed for parents who need to pay for childcare so they can work or look for a job. Preschool tuition can qualify as childcare under this credit, but there are some specific requirements you need to meet. First, your child must be under the age of 13 at the end of the tax year, or they must be disabled with no age limit. You must also claim your child as a dependent on your tax return. Additionally, you need to have paid for the childcare services so you could work or look for work. The childcare can be provided by various sources, including dedicated daycare centers, nursery schools, or even care provided by a friend or family member. For example, fees paid to a Montessori preschool are eligible. To qualify for the Child and Dependent Care Credit, you'll need to fill out IRS Form 20/41. This credit can provide a significant reduction in your tax bill, as it is a dollar-for-dollar credit rather than a deduction. Here's how it works. The credit can cover up to 20% to 35% of your childcare expenses, depending on your income. For one child, you can claim up to $3,000 in expenses, which translates to a maximum credit of $1,050 for 2 or more children. You can claim up to $6,000 in expenses, with a maximum credit of $2,100. For instance, if you have one child and $3,000 in qualifying expenses, and your income puts you in the 20% bracket, you'd get a $600 credit. This credit directly reduces your tax bill, so if you owe $600 in taxes, this credit could wipe out that amount entirely. In summary, while you can't deduct preschool tuition directly, the Child and Dependent Care Credit can provide substantial tax savings if you meet the eligibility criteria. So, if you've paid for preschool or daycare to work or look for a job, don't miss out on this valuable tax credit.